Hello, and now we're going to move on with creating content for your Facebook business page by looking at your second option next to upload your photos. It is video. And I had mentioned in the previous video that when you're using video on Facebook, you want to make sure that you've produced the video yourself, or the person who has created the video for you sends it to you in its raw form. And I will show you how that looks when I upload the video right now. Click video, and then you need to know where that video is on your desktop. And as I showed you in the other video, I had saved a file on all the content. Now, one of the things that I want to bring to your attention is I'm giving lots of examples of 100% of real estate business page. It doesn't matter what your business is, just substitute the word real estate for whatever your business is. So you see, I'm looking for right here, it says video MP4. That is the video and the type of video you should be using on Facebook. I click on it and then I click open. And Facebook opens up the back end of what I like to call the video editing component on your Facebook business page. So the video is sitting in place. I want to add a title. So you can add whichever title you would like. And sometimes I even use emojis, Control Command Space on a Mac. It brings them up and I put on, let's say, a little house. Okay, and then I click on my check-in tab. I never tag people in my post. I do not use the happy faces. You're very welcome to. It's entirely up to you. I like to use the check-in. And in this case, I'm going to say Ontario. So I click on Ontario. Next, I want to add my tags to this video. Tags are things that helps your video to be found or discovered when people are searching for things on Facebook or even the World Wide Web. So real estate would be a very good tag for me to choose. Maybe luxury properties, because this is a luxury home, and I just hit enter. You notice how they Facebook adds it for me. Now the next thing you might want to do is click on the word thumbnail. In the thumbnail, you can choose which photo you would like to represent the first picture or frame. And I picked this one. You see the blue check mark, and now the thumbnail's done. When I go back up to my video captions, add video, video details, I want to add the script that I had previously saved in my folder on my desktop. I'll go in there and I'm looking for the Word document. It's right there, and I just go ahead and I copy this, and then I would go back to Facebook and I would drop it in where it says describe, drop it in. I make sure I have a link in here that goes to the website, also known as a landing page. When you include a URL for the consumer to click on, you want to make sure that they land exactly where the video or the pictures are referring to. Also a call to action in here, and before you hit publish, you might decide to schedule it, and you'd use the little half diamond and you would click publish now or schedule. One more thing, if this is a video that you're maybe doing a market update or you're talking about your products and services, you should go into the subtitles and captions, choose your language, whichever language is yours, and then you're going to click on the pencil to generate your captions. And this is how Facebook does it. You want to read what Facebook writes and make sure that they are picking up exactly what it is you've said. I often like to capitalize people's names and things of that nature. And then you go in and you schedule your video if you would like. And I'll just schedule it down here and schedule. So now we've learned how to upload one photo or more than one photo. We know that every photo needs text added to it after it's been posted. And now we have just learned how to add a video in its raw form, MP4, onto Facebook. I will see you in the next module.